Hi, my name is Jasmitha. I'm from Bangalore. I'm 12 years old. So the Pyramid Valley is a wonderful place. This is my third time visit. I like this place, so we always keep visiting this place. So once we enter, it's very peaceful. The mind is very refreshing, and the nature is very nice. Talking about the food, the food was tasty. It was excellent. And even here, the bookstore, the books are wonderful. There are even books for kids. So I'm happy about that. Even there are books for kids. So, you can do shopping there, and I've already got one right here in my hand. So, talking about the meditation, like once we do the meditation, it's very mind is refreshing. It's after doing it, it's peaceful, it's cool, it's nice. The nature is excellent, and there's place to relax, and there's place to play, there's place to relax. So, this is a wonderful place. Thank you.